Can you believe that? This is all from ready mixed pouring paints. Yep, just ready mixed pouring paints. You can do it too. Look inside. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I am doing a multicolored pearl cell, and I'm using the Artist Loft Ready mixed paints. This is something I took from Camile Amoy, and I will put all the information down below for Camile's channel. I am using as my pour over, it is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and this is 1-to-1 with the Artist Loft, whoops, not that one, sorry. The pouring medium, 1-to-1. That's the black paint, and the pouring medium, 1-to-1, and a little water. And as you can see, it's a really thin consistency. There's no mound at all, and that is just going right into the right back into itself. And then I'm using Artist Loft Ready Mixed pouring paints, and I'm using purple. It's called Violet. I'm using turquoise, and this is all straight from the bottle. If it's a little thick, I did add a little water because it should be a little thicker than the pour over paint. This is phthalo blue. I'm using gold, and this is called, it's old gold. And metallic white. So those are the regular colors, and the consistency is a very small mound. These are all very thin also. I'm pushing right through this first pour because when I got to the end, I wasn't really thrilled with what the outcome was. But besides that, I started playing around with my airbrush. I thought I was going to make a flower in the middle, and that really turned me off. So I decided to pour over it. There's a lot of bubbles. Sorry about that. Too runny. And here's the rest of my paints. Metallic white. This is phthalo blue. This is turquoise. And this is violet. And these are all Artist Loft Ready mixed paints. And my black is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and that is mixed 1 part paint, 1 part Artist Loft pouring medium. That's going to be my pour over. The Artist Loft Black. And hopefully this will work, because I'm not clearing this. I'm going to clear this one out. I'm just going over. What I had. Okay, they are coming right up. That's a good sign. It's always a good sign when they start popping right up. Go wipe my hands off, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to put you on time lapse, and we'll see how long this is going to take, which shouldn't be that long.